Okay, we're going to have more practice now on assigning a particular type of compound to its characteristics and physical properties. And we're going to go through, I think, 6 different examples. So we'll start with compound X, and we see that when we look at it, it's lustrous and it's malleable, which means that you can bend it and twist it and stuff like that. Its melting point is 1500 degrees, which is actually quite high. It conducts electricity easily with no stipulation on whether it's a solid or a liquid. And it's also not soluble in water. So most likely compound X is a metal. All right, now let's take a look at compound Y. Its characteristics physically are that it's soft and it has a yellowish color. Its melting point is low, right? 113 degrees centigrade is low. It does not conduct electricity and it's not soluble in water. So most likely this is a molecular or covalent compound. All right, then we have compound Z, and we see that it is a substance which is hard and white. It has a melting point which is actually quite high. All right, and its conductivity is high when it's either melted or it's dissolved in water. And it also dissolves in water. So this compound is most likely ionic. Next example. All right, so let's take a look. Compound A, it's brittle and it's a white substance. It has a very, very high melting point. It conducts electricity when it's either melted or dissolved in water to make a solution. And obviously, since it was stipulated over here, it's also soluble in water. This is most likely an ionic compound. All right, next, B. It's shiny and it's malleable, which means we can take it in our hands and we can bend it around. You can probably indent the thing with your fingernail. It has a very high melting point, 1100 degrees. Its conductivity is high, and there's not a stipulation as to whether it's melted or in the solid configuration. So it is a highly conductive material, and it's not soluble in water. Therefore, this is most likely a metal. All right, the substance C, it's very hard, it's colorless, it has a very, very high melting point, 3,350 degrees. There's no conductivity associated with it, and it's not soluble in water. This is most likely a network solid. Most likely a network solid. And it very well, because it's colorless, it could be diamond, but maybe there's something else out there that's a network solid that could also be colorless. All right, and with that, we're going to go ahead and conclude the video.